you know, I've been in fast cars, I've been in new modern cars, like there's just with the Mini. I know everyone says like the go-kart feel, but like that really is how it feels, because there's no power steering. You got to hammer the brakes, like you got to really press them to get it to stop. It's hard to get used to at first, and then once you get used to it, it feels the way a car should feel. And then every other car you drive after that feels automated. Too many assists, everything's too easy, and it's boring. Like they've made cars so easy to drive that there's almost like the driver doesn't really have to have a lot of input. With this, you're really connected. Like, not only because you can feel everything, it's just you're interacting with the vehicle a lot more. So it's, I don't know, it's more personal. I don't know, it's just different, and it's fun. Like it's just fun. The way I ended up getting a Mini, I went to see Phil at the shop one day, and he was servicing a Mini, and I saw it, and it just kind of got me intrigued. And Marco came by, and then I started talking to Marco. He introduced me to himself, and then he gave me the keys to his car, and he's like, let's go for a drive, right? So I was like, really? Like, I just met you. Like, so he let me drive his car. So we went for a drive, and I was kind of like granny driving it. It's not my car, so I was driving it like nice and slow, and he was all like, no. He's like, pull over. So he's like, pull over. He gets in. He's like, I'm gonna show you how to drive a Mini. And he just hammered it. And I was like, holy shit. This is that, like, it was just so much fun. And then so then I got in, and then I drove it like that. And then when we got back to the shop, we didn't go far. We got back to the shop, and I said to Phil, I was like, I need a Mini. And he's like, oh, you know, he's like, yeah, you liked it, right? It was fun. And I was like, no, like I'm serious. Like, I need to buy one of these. Like, I need to own one, like now, like right now. And he's like, oh, like, you're serious? I was like, yeah, no, I'm serious. And then I think some time passed, and then maybe he didn't think much of it. So we got back together one day with you, and I was like, I like sat you guys down. I'm like, here's the situation. Like, I'm actually buying one. Like, we need to buy. I need one. Yeah, I was addicted. Like, as soon as I drove one once, I was addicted. And it's not till you drive one. It's not till you drive one that you really. Passenger is not the same. Passenger is like, wow, that was fun. But like driving it, it's like you're hooked. You're really hooked. I like the look of the 85 mil, but I forget how far sometimes I have to walk away just to get the angle, because it's just such a long focal length. And then even though it's a small car, it's still like I gotta get pretty far. Sometimes like I'll park the car in a spot that's not really like out of the way because I want that shot, and I'll walk away and I just get set up. I'm like, oh, perfect, the lighting's perfect, and then like somebody's coming. A car's coming, and I'm like, oh, like hold on, like I'm coming. I gotta move the car, set up again. But I just like the look of the 85. It's just, I don't know, it's just different. I don't have my photography website anymore because I'm not doing that for work. So I shut that down when I stopped doing photography. So Instagram was just a way to just kind of post some pictures of the car, and then it just snowballed into this, like, people just wanted content every week, and they get like instant messages from people like, can't wait to see the next picture and stuff like that. And I was like, oh, it's just weird. It's a weird sort of like culture, but you fall into it, and then you just go with the flow. And at first, the people that followed me or that I followed back, it was really like one-on-one, like almost personal. Of course, they're on the other side of the planet, like you don't know who they are, but it was kind of like a two-way street. Like, you know, you see their stuff, they see your stuff, maybe they comment on it, and so on. And then as my account just got more popular, I just noticed like there's all these like random like 0 posts. This guy's following like 5,000 people. It's like a private account, you know, and you just like, who is this? Like, and I didn't really get it, like, because I was new to Instagram. So I was just like, block this guy, block that guy. And I did that for so long, and I was like, okay, I think the way that this works is this is just part of, you know, this is just part of Instagram. Hey, I'm Alex, and this is my Mini.